going on? I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. And look, if you're trying to drop 50 pounds or more, if you're trying to be Fupa free, you're trying to get rid of your love handles because you ain't quite loving those handles, do me a favor. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe to this awesome and amazing channel, because again, I'm always gonna give you value, and I'm always gonna bless your life. And again, if you're trying to hop on the program, make sure you get my Super Stomach Shredder membership, because again, when you get that membership, you have no other choice but to look amazing. Again, I train superstars, and I'm gonna help you look like one too. Now, with that being said, let's work out for a little bit, okay? So, you're gonna need either a ball or a pillow, and also give me a broom, okay? I'm unpredictable, so no telling what I'm gonna do. Now, first move, all you're gonna do, you're gonna tap your heels forward and backwards, okay? You're gonna do that for a 30 count. You're gonna keep your toes up, okay? And then once you do that, then you're gonna boom. You're gonna tap your calves, boom, for a 10 count. So it's 30 and 10. 3, 2, 1, get to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom! Now you tapping calves. 3, 2, 1, going 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom! If you made it, say me coach in the comment section, please. Say me coach in the comments if you made 30 and 10. Now I want to step it up a little bit. I want to go 40. Same two moves. I want to go 40 and 20. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Go get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know what? Let's go 50. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stop it. Now we tap in thou calves, because again, we gotta get you right and tight for the summer. We gotta get you 2-piece bikini sexy, because that's what we do. We're gonna be Fupa free, baby. We tapping. You know what? I wanna go 30. Let's go 30. Look, final answer. 3, 2, 1. Give me 30. 1, 2, 3. And all you're doing is tapping the small of your back, okay? We'll call that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes! If you made it, say me coach in the comment section, please. Say me coach in the comment section. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So let me give you your next move. So I want to go here. I want to go in with your hands, out with your hands, in with your hands, out with your hands. Boom. So I want to go 20 there, but then I want you to tap the heels of your shoes. So it's going to be boom, 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 boom. Okay? So we'll go 20 and 20. Okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get them. So we'll be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Okay, now we tapping ankles. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapping down ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom! If you made 20, say me, coach, in the comment section. Please say me, coach. I need to do that one more time. I need to do it one more time just to make it stick, just to make sure this is not a coincidence. I'm just saying, in 10, going 20, 20, 20. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. All right, here we go. In 5, 4, going 20. 3, 2, 1. Go get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. If you made it, say me, coach. Say me, coach, in the comments. Who made it? Who made it? Great job. Now grab your broom. Grab your broom. Grab your broom. We're going to do a 2-part series, okay? So what you're going to do, you'll be here for a 10 count. Then you're going to do a sit-up, freeze, and boom, kick it up, just like that. We're going to go 10 and 10. 3, 2, 1. Break the phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now roll it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom! If you made 10, just say me in the comments. Look, we'll just say me all day. In 5, same move, going 20. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, going 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now roll it up. Boom. Now go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Good. If you made it, say me, coach. So I need one more round. One more round. So let's go 30 and 30, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's work forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Roll it up. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes! If you made it, say me, coach, in the comment section. If you made it. Now, what you gonna do? Last move. So, we're going to use the ball, okay? You're going to use the ball. Now, if you don't have a ball, you can actually use a pillow and put the pillow in between your knees, okay? And all you're gonna do is be here, working lower abs, but also working inner thighs. Now, if you have a ball, you're gonna set your legs on top of it and do the same move. But it looks like this, okay? Again, if you have the pillow, put it in between your knees. But if you have the ball that's like this, you just gonna shoot, boom, your knees up like such, okay? We're gonna go 50. Keep your stomach sucked in the entire time. 3, 2, 1. Get into the going 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep rocking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, shoot those knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, great job. If you made it, say me coach in the comment section. This is your last move. You're gonna throw your hands up under your booty, like so. And all you're gonna do, put the ball of pillow in between your ankles. And all you're gonna do, boom, extend it, tap the earth, extend it, tap the earth, extend it, tap the earth. That's all you do. We're gonna do a 30 count. In 5, last round. 4, 3, 2, 1, extend it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes! If you made it, say me coach in the comment section. Y'all thank y'all for hanging out, for working out with me today. Again, if you're trying to lose 50 pounds or more, if you're trying to be Fupa free, if you're trying to look like the stars that I train, because again, I train superstars and I'm going to help you look like one, make sure you get my super stomach shredder membership. The details will be in the description section and in the comment section also. So, love each and every single last one of you. Let's change your look. Let's change your life. Most importantly, let's get rid of that Fupa. Love y'all. I'm gone.